Welcome to What's Rocking at the Club. Hi, Christian. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Stacey.
And members, this week you received your Fall Winter Lifestyle Guide, which has an abundance of events and activities all through the end of the year.
Yes, and remember that October, November, and December events all have maximum capacities, and that's typically under 100 to stay within the COVID guidelines.
We're adhering to occupancy and social distancing protocols, whether it's dinner and music or yappy hour.
Love that yappy hour. Should anything change as we move forward, and we hope it does regarding our social protocols, we will keep you posted and maybe add some events and even have some new formatting.
Yes, and please review carefully the lifestyle guide for all of these details.
Did I hear it was 28 pages long?
It is, and the members are reading it because the RSVPs were crazy today. And yes, there will be a printed version coming out next week.
So Payton, I'm really excited, and of course we get to talk about this, but I'm sure you've heard, in place of the Wine, Dine, and Jazz Festival, if you've seen the Lifestyle Guide, we will be hosting a special event for our members, a spin-off event, if you will.
Yes, Alex, I'm so excited. The first wine weekend begins October 16th and 17th with Ron Yates Winery and Spicewood Vineyards.
And the format is going to be 3 wine tastings and a special price dinner for members.
Let's break this down. Friday evening is a reception wine tasting at Palm Bior.
And singer Kayla Outlaw is the entertainment at the opening reception.
Then Saturday afternoon is another tasting at the waterfront.
And then you can enjoy a a la carte prefix dinner at either Jay's or the Yacht Club with the wine pairing.
Then the third tasting is Saturday evening with s'mores and dessert wines.
And special pricing is $70 for members. What a great value. And that's all 3 tastings. And you're going to have some apps in there too.
The a la carte prefix dinner is priced for Jay's $69 and the Yacht Club $79.
October 22nd is the next cooking demo.
And attendance can be via Zoom or in person with Chef Bill.
Learn how to best prepare beef Wellington.
It's going to be October 12th, 3 p.m., and it's relocated in the Travertine Room at the hotel.
Pickleball.
Hi, I'm with Bill Dunn, who is a certified pickleball instructor, and you are also an ambassador of pickleball.
I am for the USA Pickleball Association. It's such a social game. It's unlike tennis and some of the others. Everybody gets together. There's a lot of bantering back and forth, and everybody just has a great time. It's also one of the easiest sports to learn. In our program, we offer a clinic, a 1-hour clinic, on Thursdays at 9 a.m. That'll change once it starts getting colder, but it's anyone that's learning the fundamentals of pickleball. The nice part is, with an hour clinic, you'll be playing pickleball.
Hey Stacey, you want to talk about the Cap Rock Pool and Cabana opening?
Actually, I think it's my time to leave.
All right, Christian. Yeah, so I'm embarrassed. You know, we had been saying September in our videos, and I've been sharing that with members, and I understand it's October.
Yeah, it's tough, but you do have some encouraging news to share. Isn't that right, Stacey?
Yes, the pool is going to be heated.
Wow, that's really great news.
A terrific spa special is being offered to members.
Receive a mani-pedi for $76.
And then another member special, participate in the member massage annual program.
Every month your massage is $90 and your second massage is the same month is $80.
And if you do not use a massage 1 month, they do roll over as long as you use them within 1 year.
They also can be gifted to family and friends.
Contact Donna at the spa and she'll arrange a plan of care for you.
Members, sounds like a great Christmas present. Just saying. And this, fresh off the press, we're now offering waxing, body wraps, Shiradera, and sweet tea rituals.
Zumba is boogieing around the property these days, back at the Marina Del Bay Movement Studio.
I heard it's a lot easier on the knees, or at least that's the word on the street.
With a maximum class size of 10, to be sure to call the spa to reserve your spot.
It's hard to believe that we're already thinking about our Thanksgiving plans this year.
A beautiful Thanksgiving brunch is being offered at Jay's and the Yacht Club.
And if you'd prefer to dine at home and celebrate with your family, place your Thanksgiving order to go.
Please place your orders early.
Hey, and Carrie, did you see that we're already starting to put up our Christmas lights?
And wasn't that Mahjong cake yummy and beautiful, made specially by Chef Joey?
Chef, you really made the 8th anniversary a memorable one for the gals.
And they really deserved it. They're such a great group of ladies.
Christian, so this week I received some assistance from Ed Barnes, who re-gripped my golf clubs.
Funny how we put this off.
Oh my gosh, I was so overdue, and it's so important because it's what connects your hands to the golf club. But anyway, I I have to say, I was completely impressed with the services that the club offers members for club repair.
I read in the golf news last week that Ed is now assisting members with the new launch monitor.
It's just like state of the art. It films and it's got all types of analysis.
I heard it has 16 data points, all you need to know about your swing, and then some.
That could be scary.
And that's a perfect transition. Improve your swing and the quality of your practice sessions. Sign up with Bobby Steiner's Supervised Practice.
Yes, finally. They're back every Tuesday and Thursday from 3 to 4:15.
And I hear the first week is already sold out.
Be sure to sign up early at the Caprock Pro Shop to procure your spot.
A little bit more about golf today. Some housekeeping notes.
Yes, can you imagine the work involved in cleaning the carts every night? Right now, not only the regular cleaning, but a deep disinfectant cleaning.
The golf crew is asking members to begin riding together, whereby we can minimize the extensive amount of labor.
Right, and the single carts also, it's a lot of wear and tear on the golf course.
And truly, just the need for golf carts right now as it is going into prime golf season.
So if you're comfortable, we could use your support. We just ask you to please ride together when you can.
And while we're here, if you accidentally grab a towel and bring it home,
Please bring it back.
Hey everyone, welcome to Christian's Pizza Corner, or my Pizza Rock. This week's pizza special is going to be the Philly cheesesteak pizza. Comes with house-made pizza sauce, sauteed mushrooms, onions, and peppers, roasted ribeye, provolone cheese, mozzarella cheese, mustard aioli, and scallions.
This week's hidden gem.
Not hidden for golfers.
And this one's an adventurous one.
How's that?
To really enjoy,
You must be steady.
You must go slow.
and you must enjoy the journey.
Hole number 14.
The $1 million hole up close.
Here you go. Please review the fall and winter lifestyle guides carefully.
And all the wonderful October, November, and December happenings.
Members, please know that we are making every effort to continue to offer meaningful services and keep you safe.
See you at the club.
Bye.
Bye.
Maximum class.
Okay, I got it.
Seriously, no, wait.